Okay guys, for those of you watching at home, my name is Jared Gwines and you are in Denton, Texas at North Star Dragway here in the United States, where we have the Thailand drag race team. And it has been now 5.5 hours since the original and first motor broke. It cracked the block. They just put in their backup motor, swapped it in, they've done the test, the truck's good to go. It is 4 a.m. in the morning here. It is 4 a.m. in the morning. These guys have worked non-stop to switch a new motor into this truck for this moment. This is an 8-mile drag strip. That's half the distance of a 1/4-mile drag strip. And they're about to see how fast they can go. Here we go. Yeah! 5.5 at 122 miles per hour. 5.5, 122 miles per hour.